How to pin comments on Instagram posts. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to pin comments on Instagram posts. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store right here. So what we're going to do is to check if our Instagram is up to date. So to do that, just open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. If it shows an update button, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app as well as the latest bug fixes. However, if that says open over here, that means that your Instagram is currently updated and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Instagram app, let's just head on and open Instagram over here. And from your home page, or if you're not on your profile page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. So this is where we can see our posts, and when we click on a certain post, we can immediately see the comments and the comments from other people on your posts. So for example, I'm going to pin a comment under this post. Just click on this comment icon right beside the like icon, so that will show all the comments on this particular post. So for example, I want to pin this particular comment on this post. Just simply swipe to the left on that specific comment like that, and that should show up 3 buttons right here. This is the delete button, this is like the report button, I guess, and this is finally the pin button. So just tap on that, and that should have that particular comment automatically pinned. So that is how you can basically pin comments on Instagram posts. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.